Hello, UNV 101 students. This is Kelly Brown, and I am the coordinator for all of the UNV 101 courses at Miami Regionals. This is a quick screencast to make sure that you know how to check your grade in UNV 101. The point system is put together so that you get to make a lot of choices in the course as to how you earn your grade, but that also makes it a little strange in the grade book. And it's really, really important that not only in this class, but in every class that you take, that you are aware of your grade, right? So this is what your course is going to look like when you get into your Canvas course, and you're going to click on grades. So this test student currently has an 11% in the course, which sounds awful. But this student is doing really well so far, and I'll explain why. All right. So right now, if this student did absolutely nothing else the rest of the semester, they would get an F. But they're on pace to get an A. And the reason is they have done all of the assignments in the first module that is due on the 31st. And they got all 5 points, which is fantastic. And if I scroll down here, you will see that the student also did 2 of the You Choose assignments, which was really smart. And it looked like they picked ones that are very helpful at the beginning of the semester. And for each of those, they earned 3 points. So what that means is that the student has earned 11 points towards their final grade. And as you've just read, you want to get to 100 points to get an A+ for the semester. So since there's 14 weeks, the student is doing really, really well. Your midterm grade will be reported about halfway through the semester. And we report midterm grades for first-year students just because it's nice to have a formal check-in as to how you're doing. These grades are not part of your permanent record, but they are reported by your instructors. And it wouldn't be fair to hold you to the 100 points that we hope you get by the end of the semester. So instead at midterms, we'll be saying how close are they to the 50-point mark, which is halfway through the semester. If you scroll down a little bit more when you're on this page, you're going to be able to see your final class grade, as of right now, 11%. But again, you're doing well. And then your midterm class grade, as of right now, is a 22%. Okay? These 2 percentages can be very, very misleading, right? All this means is that of the module assignments that have been graded, you have gotten 100% of the points. And this right here means that of all of the You Choose assignments that have been graded, you have received 100% of the points. But this number right here is what your true grade is. Okay? So remember, as you read through these preliminary materials, you're going to see lots of information about how to earn points in UNV 101 and get a good grade. Make sure you ask your instructor if you have any questions whatsoever about this.